What's up, guys, and welcome back to another episode. This is part 3 of the rear lip kit installation. I'm hoping we're gonna have it done in this video. We should. I don't see why not. So pretty much what we're gonna start off, we're gonna jump right into it. We're gonna go ahead and cut this all off. Let me try to focus it for you. Cut it off, and then I'm gonna pretty much make a mold. We're gonna put some tin foil, so on, fiberglass it, pull the fiberglass mold off, peel all this out, put the fiberglass mold in, fiberglass it to it. You guys will see the steps from there. But I was thinking another way I should have gone about this, a lot quicker way, was to just take cardboard, some tin foil, wrap the tin foil in, or wrap the cardboard in the tin foil, and then put a little bit of wax on there. That way the fiberglass doesn't stick to the tin foil. Tape it on right here, and then on the inside start fiberglassing it. When it's dry, pull the mold or pull that piece off, and then reinforce it from the front. That's what I should have done. It would have been a lot quicker, but this is where we are now. So I'm going to go ahead and start shaving all of that off, and we're going to go from there. But before we do, if you guys are new to my channel, make sure you smash that big red subscribe button. We are on our way to 2,000 subscribers. From today, right now, I don't know where we are when this video is up, but as of right now, we are only 4 subscribers away from 1,800. So huge shout out to all of you guys. Thank you so much. I appreciate each and every one of you guys. Let's continue growing, guys. Smash that subscribe button. Let's get to 2K. I have a little piece of soap that I'm going to use. Ideally, probably would want to use like wax, but it's okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to place this actually over it. Try to push this in to the grooves as best as I can. Alright, so now that we have that creased, or where I want it, I'm going to go ahead and lay down some fiberglass, or sorry, soap, just so it doesn't stick. Alright, so now I'm going to pretty much start laying the glass down and then pretty much let it dry. And then once it's dry, it should release, and then we'll release all the foam, and then that mold will sit right nicely in there. Alright, so this is fully dry. So now I'm going to go ahead and pretty much peel all this off. And it should lift up just like that. And then this should all come out easily. Just like that. Alright guys, so here's the mold. It's not a perfect mold, but it does work. And so this is the inner side, and as you can see, it has that little lip right there. So I already went ahead and placed this on there, and it fit. I already trimmed out a little bit, as you can see. So, but what I did was I traced this because I don't want it to overlap on top of the lip. Otherwise, then I'll have to like mold it and feather it into the actual lip kit, leaving sort of a high spot. So what I did was I put it on there and actually traced along the edge. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut that out, and then we're gonna hold it up to it, see how it looks, and then if all fits well, then we'll kind of just put a little bit, we'll scuff up the actual lip around it right here, and then we'll put some resin, and then we'll go ahead and stick this on, tape it down or clamp it or whatever we have to do if we need to. And then once that hardens, we'll flip it over, and then from the lip kit to this, we'll go ahead and you know, bond it some more, and then we'll begin filling pretty much this little indent that it has. I don't know if you guys can really see. It has a little bit of an indent. So we'll go ahead and fill all of that in, but that's pretty much a way you can make a mold. So it looks really good. Like I said, it's not 100% perfect, but you're not gonna notice though once it's actually on the car. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this trimmed out right now, and then we'll get it put on. Alright guys, there it is. So we have it now officially solid one piece. It's still a little tacky, but it's solid, it's on there. So there is like tiny little lips, like right here I can feel a little bit. Right here it's smooth, all smooth. This is all smooth for the most part. Right here we have a little bit. So what I'll have to do is once the inner side is reinforced, just to make it a little bit stronger, what I'm going to do is come in with the DA, and I'm going to sand all this down, and then we'll begin to actually, you know, start to fill it so it's actually a solid piece to where it looks, you know, like that. Alright guys, so an update, I went ahead and threw down, I scuffed it up a bit, and then threw down some Bondo hair over it. So I'm actually going to start building that up now, and then maybe tomorrow on the inner side I'll go ahead and start glassing some more as well. I did put a lot of resin down on both outer and inner sides, so it's pretty strong. So I went ahead and started throwing down some Bondo hair to try to build it up. It is going to need not a lot, but maybe after I sand all this, it's probably going to need another 2 or 3 more wipes, and then kind of just go from there. Then what I'll probably do is after I get it for the most part flush, I'll probably sand all this down and throw down just a single matte fiberglass down. I don't really know yet. We'll see how it plays out, but it's looking good. So I think I'm done for today. Tomorrow I'll probably get in on the inner side, throw down some stuff, and then this weekend start body working all of that. And like I said, I'll do that off camera because it's pretty boring, tedious stuff. So it's looking really good though. We're getting really close. As soon as this is done, that's when we're gonna get it onto the car and start molding it to the car. Here I did get a part in about a week ago. I have not opened it yet. It's just been kind of sitting. So let me go ahead and open it. It's the new front lip kit. I'm gonna open it and kind of get it test mocked up and see how it looks. Alright, so here it is guys. This little piece right here is going to be getting cut off because it just looks ridiculous. It's pretty stupid looking, so we're going to cut that off and then figure out some other way to mount it. I'll probably trim it to where it's about like that, to where we can still throw a double-sided sticky tape in. But let me go ahead and set it up, and hopefully it looks good. If not, I'll choose one of those lips. But we now have 3 lips, and yeah, hopefully this one looks good. So let me go ahead and mock it up real quick, and then I'll show you guys how it looks. Alright guys, I absolutely love it. Fitment is on point. It sits on the floor still, and in my opinion, it's clean. It's really clean. So there's the new front lip kit. And again, that piece right there actually is not that big of a deal. I'll maybe try to get it mocked up better, and we'll pull it outside another time and see. Maybe I will just keep it and throw some sticky tape in here and whatnot. But for the most part, I don't really like how it looks. So most likely, we're gonna end up cutting right there. But there it is, sits on the floor. So it's gonna look good with the side skirts and the rear lip kit. So tomorrow I'm gonna come out here and we're gonna get all of that sanded and body worked and hopefully for the most part done. What's up guys? So it is now Saturday. Been working on the rear lip now for about a week, maybe close to a week. Off and on. I haven't really been putting too much work into it, to be honest with you guys. But it's almost done, sorta. So I went ahead and threw down some more Bondo hair sanded all of that, and then I flipped it over. I'm reinforcing it right now because one part was starting to lift up, so I had to reinforce it. So I went ahead and just did that right now. As soon as that's dry, what I'm gonna go ahead and do is flip it back over and then put just a little bit more, just like a skim of Bondo hair in a few places. And then once that's done, we can start throwing down some body filler and getting it as perfect as we can get it. So let me go ahead and try to show you the best that I can. Ooh, that stuff is strong. So right in here, it was starting to kind of crack about that much of it because it wasn't strong enough, and I was sanding and pushing on it and it started to crack. So I stopped sanding, flipped it over, reinforced it, and so it's looking really good. We have all of it all up in there with a bunch of hardener and resin. So that's looking good. And then on the other side, I'll try to show you. As you can see, it's starting to come through the cracks. That's because, like I said, it did start to crack. But that's looking really good though. It's almost done. So I just need to let this harden. And then once this is hardened, we can go ahead and take this bracket out that I threw in it. I threw that in there because, like I said, it was starting to crack. And this piece was starting to kind of push out. So this kind of holds it straight back together. And then once this is fully hardened, we'll go ahead and pull that out. I'm going to throw another sheet right there. And then we'll flip it over and then start the body working process. But it's looking really good. So alright guys, so I got everything sanded, threw down some Bondo. It feels pretty flat. This area right here is going to need some more. So I'm going to have to sand it and probably put another coat or two down just to make sure everything is good. But for the most part, everything feels solid. So that's pretty much how it's going to look right there. So that's officially shaved. And then flipping it over, right in here, we got everything pretty much reinforced. It doesn't look the prettiest, but you know what? It does what it needs to do. What's up, guys? So it's actually Monday now, Labor Day. Let me go ahead and show you what I have for the rear lip. I don't think I showed you. Actually, no, I did show you guys. So it's all bondoed up and everything. So we're gonna go ahead and get this sanded today, and then most likely have to probably put a little bit more down. This little indent right here, we're definitely gonna have to build up some right here as well. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. But one thing I thought was pretty cool, this is the first time my car, both of my cars and my girlfriend's car have been together. So I kind of just wanted to show you guys. Thought it was pretty neat. If only hers was flipped around, it would look cool, but there they are. Oh, and you can see the front lip. It's not even screwed on and it stayed on. That was pretty cool. But there they are. And just an update, guys, the LS, we are gonna be driving it again soon. Just relax and stay patient, okay? I'm trying to focus right now on getting the kit done on the G35, and then we'll be working on the LS again soon, okay? Just want to let you guys know that. But that lineup though, it is, guys. So I went ahead and just put down a guide coat right now. I'm gonna go ahead and block it by hand, and then this little section right here, I need to put a little bit more filler. It has a little bit of an indent. You guys can see it. That shows clear on camera. And then I'm gonna put a little bit more here just to make this edge nice. But for the most part, it's done. It's a little wavy, but that's why we're gonna block it. And then if we need to put more body filler here, we definitely will. But hopefully we don't need to. It's feeling really good. So pretty much once I get this done, we'll probably today mock this up on the bumper and just get an idea of how it's gonna look single exhaust. Comment down below, because I haven't heard any opinions. I put up a few polls on Instagram, dual exhaust, single exhaust. Everybody said dual, keep it dual, but I just wanted to be different, and the sound is also gonna definitely change as well. More pops, louder pops, and in my opinion, single just looks more aggressive. But comment down below, let me know, what do you guys think? Do you guys think this is gonna look good, or would you have preferred it to stay dual? But I do know this now is officially a one-of-one kit, and we're not done yet. I have a few other small things planned, but you guys are gonna have to wait and see. That's gonna be another time. All right, guys, there it is. It still does need a little bit of work. I need to have there's a little indent right here, and then still a small little indent right there. You can see that one. Other than that, it's perfect. You can't see anything. It looks so good. I painted it black just to get an idea of how it's gonna look, but there it is. Alright guys, so that's where I'm going to go ahead and leave this video off. Now, I know what you're thinking. But I told you guys in part 2 we're gonna have it completely done, mounted and everything on the car. That's true. I did say that and I apologize. But I'm gonna let you guys decide. Either one, I could do a part 3, or I could just start filming other videos and get more content out and then update you on kind of what's going on with the rear lip kit through the steps. Now the reason why I'm not completing it all in this video is for really 2 reasons. One, I'm waiting on another part to come in, and it's not going to be here until the end of the week. Today's Tuesday, which means I'd have to wait another week to get the part and then continue working on the lip kit and then mount it on the car and get it molded to the car. That's a lot of work right there. We're looking at another 2 weeks worth of work, which means 2 weeks of no content, which is really the second reason why I'm not gonna finish everything in this video. I really tried to finish everything, but it's carrying out to be so long and I don't really want to bore you guys. So I'll let you guys decide unless I decide myself. But either one, we're going to do a part 3, or I'm just going to update you guys along the way with how it's turning out while I'm doing other stuff. I think that's the route we're going to go, just because this is taking so long. I haven't really been able to create as much content, and I don't like that. I like to get, you know, at least a couple videos out a week, and due to the rear lip kit and how much work it's taking, I'm not able to do that. It's taking a while. So luckily I've been editing this video as I go, so really all I gotta do is upload this part right here that I'm filming right now, and the video is already up, ready to be uploaded, which means you guys will see it most likely this week on, what's the date today? So you guys are probably watching this on probably Thursday. What is that, the 5th? It's probably the 5th today while you guys are watching this. So that's good. That means I could start creating other types of content, these side skirts and all of that good stuff, and just other types of videos. So what's left? Really, well, one, I have another part coming in, so you guys will see that. But we'll be doing that modification. Hopefully it turns out good. Then we pretty much have to bond it to the bumper, screw it in, let that fully dry, and then pretty much start layering down either, haven't decided yet, either I'm going to just do a seam of Bondo hair, or if I'm actually going to fill it with fiberglass. I don't know quite yet, to be honest with you guys, but we'll figure it out. And that's pretty much it. That's about it. And then from there, it's just get it painted, really. That's about it. So we're looking good. We got a lot of progress done. For the most part, the exhaust hole is completely shaved. I'm probably going to do a little bit more filling on it. There's those 2 little indents, which really won't take much more of some body working to get those completely flat. So I'm going to probably go ahead and do all of that, get it primered again, blocked, and then throw down another coat of black primer. So yeah, it's looking really good. I hope you guys are liking it so far. Make sure to leave your feedback down below. And if you guys like this video, please make sure to smash that thumbs up. And while you guys are down there, make sure to hit that subscribe button if you guys aren't already. We're having a 2,000 subscriber giveaway. We're about at 1830-ish right now. So at 2,000 subscribers, if we can hit that before the end of September, that's this month, I'm going to do a giveaway. I have 2 G35 lip kits I'm going to be giving away, along with headlights. So the headlights are the ones that used to be on my car. So if you go a while back when I first bought the car, you'll see the headlights that were on there. Those are the headlights I'm giving away. That's 3 winners, okay? So if you guys aren't already subscribed, make sure to subscribe. If you guys are already subscribed, share this video, share some videos, share my channel, get your friends, your family, and all them to subscribe. And as soon as we hit 2K, we're going to be doing a giveaway. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. I hope to catch you all in the next one. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate it. And until next time, as always, peace out.